Tired of not knowing how big your OneDrive folders are? You open OneDrive, you see all your files and folders, but you can't tell how much space they're taking up or how many items are inside. You end up right-clicking, opening properties, closing that window. It's a whole process. Learn to view folder details in just 2 clicks. I'm going to show you exactly where to click, and you'll have the info you need instantly. Here's the plan. I'll walk you through the OneDrive interface step by step, pointing out every single click so you can see folder size, item count, and the last modified date in seconds. Let's start. So the first thing you need to do is get to your main file view. Open up OneDrive in your browser, and you want to make sure you're looking at all your files and folders. You'll see a menu on the left side, and right at the top, you want to click on My Files. That's your starting point. It sounds simple, but this is where a lot of people get off track. I've seen folks trying to do this from the shared view or recent, and the button option doesn't show up there. So just make sure you're in My Files first. Now, this is the step that makes everything work. You are going to look at the folder you want information on. Let's say you have a folder named Project Alpha or Family Photos. To the left of that folder's name, there is a small circle. It's a round icon, just a blank circle. You need to click that circle. Not the folder name, not the folder icon. Click that specific circle. This selects the folder without opening it. That's the trick. A lot of people double-click the folder to open it, and then they're stuck inside. They have to click the back button and start over. So just click the circle. Once you do, you'll see a check mark appear inside it. That's how you know you've got the right one. All right, once you've got that check mark next to your folder, look up at the toolbar at the top of the page. You're going to see a few options appear, things like Move To, Copy To, and a few others. Right at the top of that toolbar, on the far right, you'll see a button that says View Details. Click that. And just like that, a panel slides open on the right side of your screen. In my experience, this is the most powerful panel in OneDrive that nobody uses. It shows you everything. You'll see the folder size listed right there, how many megabytes or gigabytes it's taking up. You'll see the exact number of items inside. You'll also see the date it was last modified. You don't have to guess anymore. You don't have to hover over it and hope a tooltip appears. It's all right there, clean and clear. I've tested this workflow myself because I deal with a lot of shared folders at work, and being able to instantly see which folders are bloated saves me so much time. So from now on, next time you're in OneDrive and you need to know what's in a folder, just remember the 2 clicks. First, click the circle next to the folder. Second, click View Details. That's it. You've instantly transformed from someone fumbling around to someone who can see the whole picture in a glance. Give it a try on your next folder, and you'll wonder how you ever worked without it.